Yeah, what's going on? What's going on? King checking in. It is cold out here this morning, up here in Kentucky. But I'm here to get me a refrigerator for my truck. I'm gonna show y'all inside what they got, maybe some prices, and just follow along with me, man. I got y'all, man. I got y'all. Just follow along with me.
I just might be in your hood.
Fuck out of here, man. You dumbass niggas. You niggas is silly out here trying to look cute and shit, man.
I just might be in your hood.
Niggas wanna come and talk to me about all this dumb shit.
Okay, let's walk up to here. Let's see what they got smoking up in here. Whoa. So we are open. You gotta call them. Oh snap. What? Wow. That is whack. Okay, so fast forward a little bit. I did call them. I can still get it, but they told me I have to put it in because of COVID. They're not letting people get in trucks and install them. I know the process is easy, but hell, man, I'm paying that much damn money. They need to climb their ass up in there and do it. But they did say they have a technician to walk me through it while I do it. Man, it's crazy. But they're gonna bring out a refrigerator right now before I buy it. So I'm waiting for them to come outside.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Okay.
How in the world you don't have socks on in this freezing cold weather?
I'm just getting up, so I didn't even think about it. Don't bother me too much. Okay.
What year?
So doing this myself. I need these to cut the wires off the cigarette plug-in that's in there already. And then I'm gonna have to put these wires on it, with the yellow wire being the hot one inside there and the white one being the negative. And then I have to crimp them together and then plug it in to the refrigerator. It's the plug for the refrigerator. Here's the bolts that I'm using, star shape. They do give you the tools to put them in, and the socket wrench. Okay, inside of here, you can obviously see I gotta cut the yellow for positive, white for negative. And this here is the finished results. I didn't show how I got to this, but first you have to take this off. And there's pins right here. You gotta flip down on each side, and the drawer come right out. And then this pops off like that. And the screws are back here. And they use torque or Allen wrench screws. It takes 6 of them. And just pop back in. Voila. Freezer. And that's the control knob. So that's the finished result of me installing my own refrigerator that I had to pay for. It really wasn't that bad, except for the fact that when I put it in the first time, I couldn't see in there too well, so I needed a flashlight. And my camera that I used, like my last video where I was going down the road, I had it mounted on my back seat, and it actually knocked it off and broke the thing. So couldn't use that. But I had my phone inside that hole as a flashlight, and I forgot I left it in there. So when I slid the refrigerator in, I put all the bolts on, put everything back together, the drawer, and realized I could not find my phone, and it was still in there with the refrigerator. So I had to take everything back off, pull the refrigerator out, get my phone, and then put everything back in there again. I had to do it twice. I guess I know how to do it for sure now. It's one thing's for certain, two things for sure. But I'll show you what it ran me real quick. Yeah. So that's what the total came out to be. It comes with the universal piece. And it does ship. The plates do ship. And it's really not that hard to do. If you use those tools I showed you in the video, those are probably the easiest tools. I mean, I'm pretty sure everybody know how to use or what to use, so it shouldn't be a big deal. But now I got it, flip the switch on in the back, hey, we got refrigeration. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll come back at you.